And again, we are live here inside the Daraga Covered Court for our 5th game. Again, ito pa rin po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022 hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Eli Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang nakasurog po. Ako pa rin po ang inyong makakasama para sa larong ito. Coach Kyle Marilla, kasama ko ngayon ang ating guest analyst, Coach Reynel Manlangit. Good evening, Coach.
Yes, good afternoon po sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito sa ating AKB Cup 2022. And it's my honor and pleasure to be with the best anchor, sports anchor ng Bicol Region, si Coach Kyle Marilla. Good afternoon po sa lahat.
Oo, Diyos marhay na hapon po, lalong-lalo na sa tuyang mga Daragenyo. And for our game at hand for this first district battle, Sharpening the Night, the battle between Tabaco versus Santo Domingo. Coach, sino-sino ang mga players na maglalaro? Unahin natin ang team ng Santo Domingo.
Okay, so let's meet the team of Santo Domingo. Jersey number 6, Garing. Jersey number 7, Banyares. Jersey number 8, Leona. Jersey number 9, Banyares. Jersey number 12, Ernesto. Jersey number 13, De Los Reyes. Jersey number 15, Balbin. Jersey number 16, De La Cruz. Jersey number 18, Honeyfeld. Jersey number 20, Sigura. Jersey number 22, Valderrama. Jersey number 33, Valderrama. And last, jersey number 34, Pleto.
So ayan nga ang mga manlalaro para sa koponan ng Santo Domingo. Punta naman tayo dito sa team ng Tabaco with their yellow jersey. Sino-sino dyan ang mga players natin, Coach Reynel?
Let's meet the team of Team Tabaco. Borjal number 33, jersey number 4, Belangel. Jersey number 5, Balance. Jersey number 7, Kudal. Jersey number 9, Naldoza. Jersey number 10, Gaza. Jersey number 11, Bungon Jr. Jersey number 13, Conanan. Jersey number 19, Lasco. Jersey number 24, Reyes. Jersey number 38, Tabozo. Jersey number 72, Buere. And jersey number 88, King.
So that is our lineup for our both teams as we take a look at the starting 5 for each team. Coach, what do we expect coming to this ball game with our game story, Sharpening the Knife?
First of all, yung observation ko and insights today, pwedeng magkakaroon to ng more on run and gun situation and more on fast break situation sila kasi yung composition ng both teams may mga bata at meron ding mga veterans.
So the right mix of this team having a veteran players and of course yung mga fresh na mga players. For example, here right now in the Santo Domingo with their import Levi de la Cruz, Kentoy Segura and Garing together with Balbin and Ernesto. Garing with the first shot, drilling that early 3 for this game.
Wag mo talaga tong papakawalan si Garing kasi pag tumira to ng isa, sunod-sunod na to.
Nasa kabilang dako, Lasco.
I heard coach tong Lasco ay isang import daw. Coming from Caloocan. It's
At
a PBA player.
nagparandan din agad si Lasco. Sinagot din niya agad yung 3 points doon ni Garing. De La Cruz for a 3. Wala. Si De La Cruz, ito coach, naglaro din ito para sa Roas Vanguards dyan sa PSL and even sa MPBL ay naglalaro din siya.
It's a native from Davao.
Ayan na si
Bilis pala.
De La Cruz
na to.
together with
Ganda ng drop
Segura.
pass.
Nilipat pa
Pass.
doon sa kanyang kaliwa.
Nakita mo coach yung decision making ng De La Cruz, di ba?
Etong dalawang to matagal na tong magkakampi doon pa sa Commercial League, even in Visayas.
Kaya talaga if you are the manager coach, kailangan mo talagang kumuha yung may chemistry ng dalawa.
Tabaco securing that rebound. That was Borjal. Borjal with the basketball. Borjal with a perimeter shot. Wala yan. Rebound picked up by Ernesto. Pinasa kay Balbin, hindi lang yun.
Nakita mo coach yung court vision ng De La Cruz, no? Hindi lang na-convert, sayang.
De La Cruz is a veteran guard. Ayun na. Tinapo na lang yung kay
Pass first palang
Sigura.
player daw.
Sigura. In the short corner, wala lang yon. At nandiyan na ang Tabaco, tumatakbo. At merong foul. Fouled on that play. Is Naldosa. Fouled by Balbin.
Napansin mo, coach, yung sistema ng dalawang teams. More on, puro lang sira. Run lang ng run eh.
Mhm.
Diba?
And-
Kasi yung mga both coaches dito, talagang mga familiar and mga champion coach na rin to eh.
That is right. And Naldosa drilling that first free throw.
Another basket by
2 for 2
Baldosa.
for Naldosa and De La Cruz right now. Looking to the wing, Garing. Another
Yun
shot,
yung
another
sinasabi
make.
ko sa'yo. Coach, pag tumira yan ng isa, sunod-sunod na. So, I think kailangan na nilang mag-close out. Kailangan na nilang mag-adjust ng konting depensa kay Garing.
Right now, yung Team Tabaco is playing a 2-3 zone. Lasco. Short yun. Bola muna natin sa Tabaco. Nabitawan lang. Borhal. Pasok yan para kay Borhal.
Matangkad din do, coach, na Borhal, no? Bata pa, oh.
Sigura. Namintis lang yun ni Sigura. At sinecure din ng Tabaco ang bola. Lasco now. Laking mama.
Oo.
Good matchup din to kay Balbin. Itong si Kudal. At this
Magaling
early
talaga.
part of our ball game, nararamdaman na agad ang haba nitong Team Tabaco with Borhal and Kudal both on the floor.
Actually, coach, I really appreciate the big man of Tabaco kasi they working hard inside.
Mhm.
Tingnan mo, coach, yung pag-seal nung may perimeter siya. Put
Back
back.
drilling.
Kita
Pero
mo yung
hustling
hustle
out.
na.
Mhm.
Yung inside presence ng isang big man, yun ang ma-appreciate mo talaga.
6 minutes and 36 seconds on our first quarter of play. And De La Cruz with the ball right now. De La Cruz for a 3. Basket yan. Pangatlong 3 points na yan ng Team Santo Domingo at this early going of our game.
Ang ganda ng match-up ng Santo Domingo.
Lasco. Binawi din naman agad.
I think that his second basket in 3-point line.
Let's have a clarification there on what happened. Also, mayroong timeout na tinawag para sa Santo Domingo. With 6 minutes and 14 seconds on our first quarter. Coach, what do you think is happening right now for this ball game in the early part of our quarter? 12-11 lang ang score.
As I said a while ago, coach, talagang makikita natin dito yung more on run lang ng run yung mga players nila. Usually yung mga guards nila kasi they expect na talagang more on transition offense nila, aasahan nila. Second, yung mga threes nila, talagang hindi natin to may iwasan. As early as first quarter, nararamdaman na natin. What more pa pag nag-second to end of the quarter. So, I think kailangan nilang mag-adjust ng defense and at the same time, kailangan talaga nilang mag-extra effort.
So we are back to our ball game. The possession of Santo Domingo right now.
Etong dalawang import coach ng Santo Domingo, parang kambal lang, no?
They have an identical skill set. Parehas yan mabilis. Parehas feisty. Now Sigura. Garing on the corner. Sigura with the
Ganda ng
hesitation.
hesitation.
And fades away. No good. Kudal with the rebound.
Tingnan mo to, coach. Medyo interesting tong isang player ng Tabaco.
Oh,
Yung
that is
number
Herwin
28.
Tabuso.
Ernesto with his
Ernesto
floater.
with his
Basket.
floater. That is a patented shot of Ian Ernesto, a former varsity of Mariners Polytechnic College.
And also, former varsity din to ng Santo Domingo National High School Red Dragons.
A product din to ni Coach Momo.
Yes.
Shoutout pala kay Coach Momo, head coach ng Naga College Foundation. And we have a foul there. Baby James Balderrama will check in for Balbin and Banyares for Garing. Bola ng Tabaco with 15 seconds on the clock.
They really need to adjust the bigs kasi kinakain talaga sila, coach, ng mga big ones ng Tabaco eh.
Tabuso with a fadeaway.
Very interesting to lang player talaga, coach. At his age, coach, tingnan mo, kayang makisabayan.
The age of Tabuso. Another 3-point basket made by Santo Domingo. Tabaco. Ang ganda ng lusot ni Lasco doon.
Ganda ng verticality, no? Iba talaga, coach, pag may kahat tsaka may height ka eh.
But on the other end of the court, De La Cruz.
Same ball.
The pass was deflected and it will stay for the Santo Domingo. Eto na yung crowd favorite. Joke Kunanan, papasok na sa ating laro. Replacing Naldosa.
Naalala ko pa tuloy, coach, bata pa yan. Pumupunta yan sa bahay namin. Dati ko yan ay student sa Arimbay National High School.
Ayan na si Joke.
Rather, Arimbay High School. Yung verticality nito, coach, grabe.
Tabuso now with the ball kontra kay Segura. Big pick. Tabuso.
Just imagine, at his age, he can drive.
Doing that layup and
Tsaka fearless, coach. Diba?
with the contact with Balderrama. Balderrama with his first foul.
Eto na si Bonggon. A former ACC varsity from Coach Al.
Ayan, at habang naglalaro itong Tabaco team, ito rin ang ating congressman na part ng Ako Bicol party list na si Attorney Jill Bongalon is a native of Tabaco City. Good evening po sa inyo dyan, Kong. Kunanan now. Kunanan to the corner. Back to Kunanan.
Naputukan nga lang talaga sila, coach, ng 20%.
Naubusan lang sila ng kanilang shot clock at mapupunta ang bola sa Santo Domingo.
Actually, I really appreciate the defense of Santo Domingo, coach. Kasi as early as first quarter, nagman-to-man na sila. Would like to acknowledge the city municipality councilor Julius Duran.
Oo, ng Daraga Albay. Of
Happy
course,
viewing po,
we
Consi.
are live here inside the Daraga covered court in the municipality of Daraga. 4 minutes to go for our first quarter and Santo Domingo leading by 2.
Tabaco.
Another timeout here for the Tabaco. 3 minutes, 54 seconds on our game clock. And right now, Coach, with Santo Domingo leading by 2, ano ang dapat gawin ngayon ng Tabaco?
Kailangan lang talaga nila ng may stop yung mga bigs. Kasi yung inside presence ng big mans, talagang mahirapan sila. And luckily, okay naman yung dinidepensa nila. Di naman sila nagkukumit ng fouls kasi kailangan nila yan at the end of the quarter.
And definitely right. And as we take a look at the bench of Santo Domingo. Again, we are at 5th game for today's schedule ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. At nakikita din natin sa screen si Mayor June Aguas ng Santo Domingo supporting his team. Ito yung pinakamaganda dito, yung support coming from the LGU.
Actually, coach, maybe next year, grabe na to.
Oo.
Grabing liga na to, coach. Kasi, syempre, hindi lang yung players ang naglalaro dito. The pride of their place.
Yes. Kunana now. Fresh look, number 5. Good fake. Creating that contact at merong foul para kay Banyares. Bongo now will troop to the line for 2 shots. Naipasok ni Bongon yung kanyang unang tira. And De La Cruz now with the basketball. De La Cruz kontra kay Cunanan. This is a good matchup. De La Cruz kontra kay Cunanan. Ernesto at the corner. Wala yun.
Grabe.
Ang bola mapupunta kay
Ayun na
Jokjok.
yung transition ng Kunanan. Nakita mo yung verticality niya, coach, no? Grabe.
Pero that was a good defense on the part of Santo Domingo.
Of course, syempre hindi naman talaga siya bibigyan ng napakalibreng tira. Alam na meron siyang because he is a
Lasco.
finisher, coach, hindi siya
Mhm.
pwedeng bigyan ng napakalibreng tira. Kick out to Bonggon. Tong Bonggon, coach, meron talaga tong outside shooting eh. I still remember, coach, nung naglalaro pa to sa Gobs Cup, tumitira to talaga sa langas. Pumupukol to ng at least 5.
Ernesto
5
right
threes.
now on the wing looking for Valderrama. Valderrama, short jumper. Wala, Banyares for the putback. Yes.
Yan yung mga big man. Yung talagang nag-e-effort magkuha.
Bilis ni Cunanan. This is a good matchup kay De La Cruz.
Bata pa talaga to, coach eh.
At meron tayong foul doon. Only baseline inbound. We have sub here. Pleto will check in for Banyares.
Based sa observation ko dito kay Coach Banyares, ang bilis ng rotation ng bigs niya eh. Kumbaga talagang kailangan niyang i-secure yung tao niya hanggang 4th quarter.
So, we got our report. Yung kanina si Tabuso is 42 years old.
Just imagine, coach. Pwede na siya maglaro sa 40 above.
Pero yun nga lang, at sabi nga, kalabaw lang ang tumatanda, coach.
Precisely, coach. At yan yung tinatawag nating ball is life.
So De La Cruz right now, directing traffic. 2 minutes and 20 seconds on our first quarter. De La Cruz,
Ang ganda
good
ng
backdoor.
backdoor pass,
Ang ganda
coach.
ng backdoor ni Segura doon. Talagang makikita mo yung connection between De La Cruz and Segura. And a near steal there. Na-recover ni Cunanan.
Iba pag palagi kayong magkasama sa isang teammate. Diba?
There is another contact there. And the referee call it a foul.
Usually, coach, yung mga backdoor pass, ang hirap yan gawin sa mga 2-3 zone. Pero just imagine, nagagawa pa rin ng dalawa. Kasi yung perfect timing, yung cut sa loob, yung pagpasa. Ayo.
Reyes for his second shot. Oh. So far, ang ating mga referee nagiging consistent sa kanilang mga tawagan.
Yes,
Um,
coach. And
Since day one.
we also acknowledge the SBP officiating. Kasi talagang nag-refreshing pa lang sila, coach, I think 2 months ago. So that's why napakaganda yung mga call nila ngayon.
De La Cruz now. We have a deadlock here at 23. De La Cruz, napakalayong tira nun.
Nagkaroon ng adjustment defense yung Santo
Humihingi si
Domingo.
Dela Cruz doon ng last touch pero hindi binigay ng referee. So mapupunta ang possession sa mga taga-Tabaco. Balanse. Tukunanan for a 3. Wala yon. So far, ang ating parehas na kupunan ay nagkakasukatan.
Yes, coach.
That's
kasi
why we have a deadlock here at 23. Sigura now.
medyo napagod na yung De La Cruz kaya pumalit naman ng point guard sila.
Pick by Balderrama. Sigura with an hesitation. Napakagandang hesitation. Courtesy
Kung
by
bibigyan ka ng napakagandang pick, coach, syempre wag mong sasayangin yun.
Lasco.
Ganda ng
Kick out
pass.
to Balance.
Short
Balance.
Grabe,
What a jump.
coach.
What a leaping ability by Kunanan.
Wag na
right
natin
now.
yan, coach, i-expect kasi gagawin niya talaga ngayon.
Sigura being hounded by Bongon and Balance. Sigura
Kick out
to
pass.
De La Cruz for a 3. Wala yon. Rebound.
Pleto, rebound.
With pick up by Pleto and Winifeld. Wala yon. Ayan na ang mga taga-Tabaco. Nangunguna dyan si Lasco. Basket para kay Lasco. Ang ganda nung dinaan niya sa ilalim ng kamay ni Balderrama, fishing that foul and making that basket.
Ang napapansin ko lang dito, coach, kasi talagang medyo wala pa akong nakikitang mga health defense ng both teams eh. That's why nabubutas talaga yung nasa loob nila. Ayan na, yung Sigura. Same play. Pero this time, pumukol ng tres, coach. Grabe.
That's what we have to expect to a player like Sigura. Drilling that 3-point. Babawiin ba ni Kunanan? Yes! Binawi niya yan.
Binawi agad ni Kunanan.
For his own version of a 3-point shot. De La Cruz right now.
We have to expect, coach, na itong larong to ay close fight talaga.
Pleto sa corner. Wala yan. Rebound by Kunanan.
Mamadali.
Kunanan is running right now. Binigay kay Lasco.
Nabitawan lang ni De La Cruz.
And the ball will stay sa Tabaco with 9.1 seconds remaining on our first quarter.
Last shot na to, coach.
Lasco. 5 seconds. Lasco with a
Ganda ng
step
behind the
back.
back. Step back.
Pasok pa
Basket! Tingnan mo, tinuro pa yung bench nila.
That was a very good play on the part of Lasco na nagpaparamdam kaagad right now. But our first quarter right now will end at a 32-28. Tabaco with a 4-point lead. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter action. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Sapaw aking naming talento, kompleto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa. Papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagatak ng pawis, di namin alintana masasaktan. Magagapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uuwi na kayo ko lamang may katay. Sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako. Bicol Cup, di ka atrasa sa masikulan. Maraming natutunan, pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay. Sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay.
We are back to our second quarter of action. Laban ng Team Tabaco versus Team Santo Domingo ngayon.
Ano kaya yung
Tabaco
adjustment,
ay nasa
no?
nakakalamang ng 4 na puntos.
Grabe yung seal ng number 7.
Plato with a rebound.
De La Cruz. Pass first talagang. Ayan na si Garing. Baseline drive,
Inukot
reverse.
pa yun.
Wala pa rin.
Masyado na malalim yun para kay Garing.
Oo. Pero
Last
siguro
one.
kung malilit lang yung bantay, pwede pa.
Konanan for a 3. Can get the bounce. Rebound by Banyares. Now De La Cruz.
Yung De La Cruz, tinignan mo, coach, oh. Simple lang ng laro, no? Galawan. Medyo kumakapapa to. De La Cruz, pass to Garing.
Open shot for a 3. Wala yun. Is that a good shot on the part of Santo Domingo, coach? Knowing na meron silang tatlong andon sa baba.
Para sa akin, okay yun, coach, kasi alam nilang shooter si Garing, kaya kailangan mo talagang bigyan yun, eh.
Okay. The other side of our court. Now Santo Domingo running. Winfield for 3.
Grabe yung banggaan. Hindi ka pwede dito, coach na malambot, eh.
Pasalamat tayo hindi tayo naglalaro dito.
Precisely, kasi after the game nito, maghahanap ka ng manghihilot sa'yo.
And another player, King, a former ACC Green
Yan, yung
Serpents.
hinahanap po yun, coach, kanina during the warm-up. Wala yan, eh.
Na-late lang siguro si King.
Oo.
But definitely, sasandalan din to ng Team Tabaco.
Yes, coach, kasi
The
he is also,
42-year-old is now back.
itong King kasi is also part of the Coach Tickboy at Chope nung nag-champion sila sa Gobs Cup, eh.
So we have a foul there.
Kung titingnan natin, coach, yung stats, karamihan ng basket nila moron sa free throws.
But right now, they are on the lead, this Tabaco team, with only a 4-point lead. And right now,
Actually, coach, na-appreciate ko yung guard sila kasi na-recognize palagi nila yung mga bigs sa loob, eh. Yung mga bigs marunong pating gumamit ng katawan. That's why nagpapakomit sila ng foul.
so that free throw by Borjal was the first point here in the second quarter. Banyares. Winfield with the short jumper. Banyares
Putback by Banyares.
with a putback.
Nung medyo bata-bata pa tong Banyares tong, grabe to maglaro sa Mariners, coach.
King with a short stop. Wala lang doon.
Pati
And
still, tingnan mo, coach,
As
talagang
we
galit na
see,
galit sa loob, eh.
Sigura checking back in for Levi de la Cruz and Banyares replacing.
Garing.
I think that's Winfield ang pinalitan ni Banyares.
Papansin ko dito, coach, kay Coach Banyares sa Santo Domingo. Ang bilis ng rotation niya. Except dito lang kay De La Cruz,
Maybe he wants to keep the guys fresh para sa buong laban na ito. Banyares now. Ganda ng dukot ni Pleto doon. Pero na-recover ni Banyares at nahawakan
Eto
ni
si
Tabuso.
Banyares talaga, coach. Since college to, pulot boy talaga to, eh. Yung less effort lang na ginagawa niya. Pero very effective sa loob.
And now, Lasco will be replaced by Bongon. Ito yung unang sub para kay Lasco.
Nakakatawang isipin, coach, kahit anong substitution, walang pinagbago sa lineup.
Natatangkad pa rin.
Oo.
The combination of speed and height for this Team Tabaco.
Ang ganda ng mix and composition ng teams nila, eh. It's 2-4-2 for Banyares.
Only a 1-point lead for the Team of Tabaco. Bongon right now with the basketball to Cunanan. The 42-year-old will drive pero nabitawan lang yung bola. And now Banyares.
Ano kayang sekreto nito ni Tabuso, coach, no? At his age, talagang he can battling with the young guys.
Nakipagsabayan pa.
Oo. Hindi ko pati nakikitang pagod, oh. It's a
Bad pass lang yun on the part of
Ah.
Cunanan. But that was a good intention para kay Cunanan. Hindi lang nasalo, masyadong mababa for King.
Wala lang talaga, coach, na merong sa loob na nag-cut, eh. Masyadong ilalim.
Sigura. Oh,
Nakita mo yung
nabangan yun ni Cunanan. Cunanan
ability.
now.
Wala, eh.
Madulas lang siguro.
Yun yung lagi
bola
kong
doon.
tinuturo sa mga players ko. Always use the board.
Mintis lang yun. That was a good hustle on the part of JC Garing. And the ball will stay sa mga taga Santo Domingo.
Ito talaga, coach, talagang mag-i-enjoy kapag nanood ka rito. Para ka rin nanonood ng mga Major League, eh.
7 minutes to go for our second quarter. Banyares, kick out kay Garing. Garing for a 3.
Pangatlo na to ni Coach Steve Garing, di ba?
Yes,
Grabe.
Garing right now is 3 out of 4 from the 3-point arc.
Yung outside shooting ng Santo Domingo, very effective.
Banyares now.
Pushing
Bring
their
the ball down to
transition.
Sigura. Lumipad. Nakapulot doon ng foul kay Bongon. And Sigura will troop to the line for 2 shots.
From getting the rebound, coach, yung transition nila, ang bilis, no? Taking the advantage na kaya nilang lumamang dun, eh.
Belangel will check into our ball game replacing Tabuso.
Yun naman ang usually, coach, talaga sa mga teams, eh. Kapag nakuha mo agad yung rebound, kailangan mo talagang i-execute yung transition. Kasi yun yung first point mo, eh.
Sigura. Right now at the free throw line.
Left-handed pala to, coach, kaya medyo mahirap talaga tong bantayan, eh.
This is a feisty guard during the PSL days. Kagaya ano sabi ko,
Oh.
this is the only team that has beaten the Davao Occidental Tigers, yung champion ng PSL.
So, ang experience pala nito, coach, talaga.
Yes. This is a very
Yeah.
decorated player and experience-wise, naikot na din ito ang buong Visayas and Mindanao.
And just
And
imagine,
right
di
now,
ba?
I think naglaro din siya sa MPBL for the Caloocan Supremos.
And just imagine, coach, having the experience na makalaban mo yung Davao. Ang taas ng competition and level nun, eh.
Knowing na nandun sila Rob Celis, John Wilson.
Yes, coach. And yung former import din dito nung Zoomworks dati, yung si Calio.
Oo, Eman Calo. Cunanan now. Intercepted by the Santo Domingo, but the ball will stay at the Tabacov under 10 seconds on their shot clock.
Number 4.
Agawan yun ni Banyares.
Banyares. Kitang-kita yung pushing niya, eh. Okay, complaining.
Ayun lang, dito sa basketball, normally, ang nakikita yung bawi.
Tama, coach. Eh, syempre, referee decision yan, coach, eh. So we have to respect the decision of the referee. Kahit anong
Belangel.
complain natin, once na natawag niya, ganda ng fake handoff, coach.
Nasa raduan lang doon si King.
Oo. Yan na yan si Banyares. Loses the ball. May substitution tayo ng coach, eh. Kailangan na agad ibalik si De La Cruz kasi napapansin nata ng coach na medyo pagod na rin yung mga guards ng Tabaco.
Right now, Santo Domingo, in their man-to-man defense, Cunanan kontra kay Banyares. Cunanan will be picked by King. Belangel.
Belangel.
Borjal for a 3.
Grabe talaga tong boral na to.
Ngayon pinapamalas ng mga big man ng Tabaco na they have that range. Sigura.
Sigura.
Fake.
Ang
Three-point
kinagandaan
shot.
talaga dito, Coach, kay Kunanan, kasi guard yan, pero he can defend any players kasi yung verticality niya eh. Yung leaping ability ng isang player na to, sobrang ma-appreciate mo, Coach.
Borhal. Borhal right now
King,
to King.
post up.
Belengel.
Medyo
Hindi pa
loaded
tinira.
lang talaga sa part na
Borhal. Another three for Borhal.
Same
Back-to-back.
spot, same result, Coach, ha?
Back-to-back 3 points for Borhal. Pinapakita kaagad talaga ang range ng Tabaco. Sasagutin yan.
So
ng
far, ito
Santo
ata,
Domingo.
Coach, yung leading scorer ng Tabaco eh. Tingnan mo, Coach, yung trail ng Borhal, no?
Borhal. Good defense on the part of Banyares there. De La Cruz to Banyares. Hindi lang na maximize yung transition na yun. Kunanan to Belangel. Wala lang. De La Cruz tumatakbo sa kabilang dulo.
Medyo pagod na rin yung Kunanan kasi, Coach, oh.
Grabe talaga itong Sigura. Challenging the defense of King and picking up that foul, and Sigura will troop to the line for his 2 shots.
Yun talaga yung medyo mahirap, Coach. Pag transition na hindi mo may convert, Coach. Tapos may rebound ng kalaban. Medyo disappointed ka eh.
And Lasco will check back in together with Tabuso.
Ito na yung interesting player ng Tabaco. I heard a while ago, Coach, nung bata-bata pa daw to, grabe talaga to maglaro sa Tabaco. And naging MVP na rin ata to, Coach, eh.
As Sigura on his second throw. Siguro si Sigura sa free throw eh.
Walang
Tabuso with the
sinasayang
basketball
na
right now.
opportunity. Tingnan mo, Coach.
De La Cruz ang bilis-bilis.
Grabe.
Parang si ano lang yun eh, Usain Bolt.
Oo. Iiwanan ka talaga nito. Mahirap.
Lasco get fouled here there.
Yung basketball IQ, Coach, nung last ko, maganda kasi nakita niya yung mismatch eh. Tingnan mo yung post-up na ginawa niya doon. Eh, nagpa-commit pa siya ng foul. Kaya talagang medyo maganda yung laban na to.
We have a timeout here for Tabaco.
Yung last time out, Coach, lamang pa yung Tabaco.
Parehas lang to na dito sa ating kaninang ball game. Ngayon dikdikan pa rin with only a 2-point lead by the Santo Domingo with
Pero
4
hindi pa
minutes
eh.
and 13 seconds on our clock.
So we will expect talaga nito, Coach, by last quarter. Ito talaga yung sinasabing kung sino yung last man standing. Makikita mo dito yung mga fatigue factor ng mga players, Coach. Dito makikita yung conditioning ng isang team. So,
That is right. And mamaya, abangan din ninyo ang laban ng Daraga versus Manito.
Manito.
Makatapos lang nitong laban ng Santo Domingo versus Tabaco. And right now, Santo Domingo clinging to that 2-point lead with 4 minutes and 13 seconds on our game clock. And this is your AKB Cup 2022.
what kind of adjustment kayang ginawa ng both teams na to? Kasi the moment na nag-timeout ka, Coach, you expect na meron talaga diyang adjustment. Kasi hindi mo kailangan i-allow na lumobo yung lamang sa'yo, Coach, eh.
But right now, Lasco missing that free throw na magdadala sana sa deadlock ng ating laro.
Sigura. Ang ganda ng pase lang. Banyares
Ang ganda
again.
ng interior passing ng Santo Domingo. But so far, too much passing will cause you a turnover. Yun na nga yung nangyari doon, pero nabawi ni Banyares. De La Cruz now.
De La Cruz. Ang hirap bantayan nito, Coach. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, parang hindi napapagod, Coach, eh. Tapos yung dribbling skills niya, napaka-basic lang.
We have a new face here, Jonas Leona, checking in for the Santo Domingo.
Ito, another player din tong coach na mabilis eh.
This is a proud native of Malabog,
Malabog
Daraga.
coach. And a former varsity of Daraga National High School.
Sigura. Ang ganda ng ginawa doon ni Sigura. Alam niyang mayroong taong sa likod. Itiniran niya lang yun. And hoping for a contact, yun na nga. At nabigyan siya ng dalawang pagkakataon para sa free throw.
Yun yung tinatawag coach na experience. Kailangan mong mag-draw eh.
And right now, Tabaco is already on the penalty. Sigura drilling that first one.
Actually coach, yung mga players, kailangan din turuan sila kung paano yung manggulang. Hindi lang talaga more on skills ka coach, kailangan mo talagang pakita sa kanila na kailangan mo utak ka sa loob ng court.
And right now, we are jam-packed here inside the Daraga covered court. Kung makikita nyo lang, ang dami-dami ngayong tao. Punong-puno ang ating covered court. Tabuso!
Grabe, coach, no?
Coast to coast.
to coast.
Layup
Siya pa
by
yung
the
nag-receive ng bola,
42-year-old
ha?
Tabuso. Sigura.
Nakaka-amaze naman na player na to. Parang hindi napapagod yung
Out of
tabusa
bounds.
na to.
The
Siya pa
ball
yung
will
magdadala ng
go.
bola, coach, ha?
The ball will go now to Tabaco.
If makita nyo yung opportunity and mismatch sa bantay niya, iiwan ka talaga nito. Yung Borhal. Meron naman coach na mismatch na nakita tong
Lasco kontra kay...
Lasco eh. Ang
Yun na
ganda
nga,
ng
na-maximize niya
fake.
yung
Oo.
kanyang mismatch doon. Siguro now attacking.
I think kailangan din ng Santo Domingo ng help defense coach. Kasi kakainin sila agad doon. Taas ng pick eh. Karoon ng switch coach. Ganda ng kick out.
3 points yan.
3 points
para
by
kay Kentoy Sigura.
Oo.
And right now, nagpaparamdam talaga ang dalawang import ng Santo Domingo. De La Cruz, ayun na, bitawan na naman si Lasco with that jumper. Pero nasecure ang
Tingnan mo,
rebound ni
coach, yung-
Banyares.
Tingnan mo yung ilang possession. More on post-up doon si Tabusa, no?
Banyares na imintis lang yun.
Grabe yung kick out pass nung De La Cruz.
Yun ang matatawagan ng pushing foul on that last occasion at mababalik ang bola sa Tabaco.
Natatawa talaga ako dito sa player na to ng Tabaco. Iba maglaro.
With Santo Domingo right now on the penalty.
Medyo kailangan coach mag-adjust ng Santo Domingo kasi penalty na sila, no? Taking the advantage na penalty na sila. Precise. For sure, paragi na sila nitong
We are under 2 minutes and 16 seconds on our first half. Gaza drilling that last free throw. De La Cruz. Now, si Leona ngayon na magdadala ng bola for this Santo Domingo squad. Banyares.
Oy! Kitang-kita yung tulak ni De La Cruz.
Tabuso right now showing his defense.
May
This-
konting flop din yung ginawa nung Tabusa.
That was a good selling for Tabuso para tawagan din siya ng actually hindi naman kalakasan yung tulak doon ni
Coach.
De La Cruz, but dagdagan mo lang ng konting acting, automatically bibilhin niya ng referee.
Sinasabi coach na experience-wise. Iba to.
Lasco na to Tabuso. Back to Lasco. Kontra
Lasco.
kay Leona.
Short
Screen
stop.
Lasco. Pasok yan.
Ganda ng
Ngayon nakakalamang na ng isang puntos,
Puntos.
ang team ng Tabaco.
bilis nung...
At merong foul doon kay Borhal.
Imagine coach, he can easily drive the basket, ano? Although the task ng mga kalaban, pero iba talaga tong De La Cruz na to.
We are now at, both teams are now in penalty.
penalty, coach.
So De La Cruz will take 2 shots from the free throw line.
Mahaba pa tong 1.33. So, kung ilang mga drives and commits pa nito, talagang pwedeng lumamang pa ng mga ilang points. Checking number 24, Tabaco.
1 minute and 33 seconds on our game clock for this first half of action.
Ganda yung ginawa ng coach ng Tabaco. Kailangan niya talagang ipahinga yung Boral eh. Ko-complain yung mga players natin na madulas.
Another new
Oh.
face for the Santo Domingo.
Sino kaya to, coach?
That is Jay Balderrama, another import from Davao.
Bali, tatlo pala, coach, yung import ng Santo Domingo, no? Ito ang kinagandaan, coach, ng Ako Bicol Cup. Kasi you can get from the other provinces and also all over the Bicol region, coach.
Lasco now with the basketball. Lasco. Nabitawan momentarily yung bola.
Oo.
Looking for his teammates. Bongo now on the top of the key.
Tolasco.
With 10 on the shot clock. Lasco fades away. Short yun. Pero ang bola mapupunta sa Santo Domingo.
Coach. Ang daming possession pero sayang eh. Maganda kasi yung defense ng Santo Domingo.
Balderrama with the basketball.
Sigura. To Balderrama.
Balderrama.
Alam ko na. Parang shooter to, coach, na Balderrama. Ito eh. Sigura. Kick out to Balderrama.
Babalik ang bola kila Lasco with 45 seconds on our clock. Lasco,
Kinakayod talaga, coach, ni Lasco.
Tabuso for a 3. Basket yan
na naman
para
ang Tabuso!
kay Tabuso. A good kick out there by Bongon. Sigura, open jumper. Lista mo na para kay Sigura.
Ayan.
Pag ganun kalapit, sigurado yan kay Sigura. Lasco.
Deadlock tayo ngayon, coach, at 50.
Lasco.
Ang
With a
problema
lefty
kasi dito,
finish.
coach, sa Santo Domingo, wala silang health defense. Pag nagkaroon ng screen sa taas, hindi na talaga sumasabay pa yung bumabantay eh.
So that's definitely one thing na kailangan i-adjust ng Santo Domingo in terms of their defense.
Kasi yung interior nila, yan talagang gagawin ni Lasco. Yung Lasco pati, coach, matalino, no? Kung hindi niya kaya, ipupull up na lang. Iba talaga pag commercial player.
Now Sigura kontra kay Tabuso with 10 seconds on our clock. De La Cruz. Sigura for a 3. Wala yan.
Grabe yung girian sa ilalim, coach.
Pero ang bola
Ano ba yan?
mapupunta sa Tabaco. With 4.5 seconds on our clock, they will have the chance for the last possession of this first half of our game.
Tabuso.
Lasco.
Lasco.
Lasco. Muntik pa yun.
And now, end of the second quarter. Ano
And
kaya
now-
yung magiging adjustment dito, coach? Ano sa
Yeah.
tingin mo, coach?
At the end of our first half, our score is 53-50. 3-point lead lang yan sa Team Tabaco. Magbabalik po kami para sa third quarter of action. Dito lamang po yan sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
aso. Bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Alis lang madapa, basta tayo agad. Tuloy lang, sige lang. Abuin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa. Kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya laro na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't bulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento. Kompleto, manalo at magsaya, kasama pa ang astig na tropa. Papakitang buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagaktak ng pawis, di namin alintana masasaktan. Maganda pa pangako ay tatayo, walang uuwi na. Nakayo ko, alamat na ikatay sa bolang binigay. Hindi na naging batang pasaway dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako. Bicol Cup, di ka atrasa sa masikulan. Maraming natutunan, pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay. Sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay. Lakas at galing lahat ibinigay. Terminado po best, huwag lang sumablay. Simula pa ang kabata, basketball na ang laro. Kahit na minsan, wala namang grupayo. Salamat na kilala, dilama ko ang snow. Malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko. Paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo. Walang tatalo sa disiplinado. Lahat kami ay sumasaludo. Siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay di ko laro dito pa lang. Manalo na tayo, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol.
Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
masa, kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya laro na, game na. Ako Bicol lang, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin.
We are now back sa ating third quarter.
And now, coach, it's a ball possession of Tabaco. Same defense pa rin, coach, yung pinapakita ng Tabaco. And yung Santo Domingo. Grabe yung giren sa ilalim, coach. Tingnan mo, oh. Ganda ng kick out. No good.
Again, this is a good matchup. Sigura against Cunanan.
Ganda naman ng pihit ni De La Cruz. Dalawang bigs yung iniwan ito.
And now Naldosa. Merong screen. I-offer si King. Sa kabilang dako naman, Cunanan kontra kay Sigura. Cunanan with a 3. Wala yun. Now, the rebound is secured by Banyares. De La Cruz sa kabilang dako with a pull-up.
Ganda ng lusot niya, no? Yung pull-up jump.
In front of the defense and you're pulling up for a jumper, that's definitely a thing.
Yes, coach, kasi using his body, coach, talagang yun ang advantage nun eh. Matalino.
Right now,
This is a quality player, coach. Hindi ka nito papapahiya eh.
Sigura with a 3.
Andiyan na, coach, yung adjustment na sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Pero let's give credit to this guy, Banyares. Tinilayo pa niya. So, I was saying, we have to give credit to this Patrick Banyares of doing those hustle plays by getting the rebound and setting a good screen for his teammates.
Actually, he's crashing the boards, coach eh. Diba?
Sigura now, kontra kay Lasco. Garing.
Garing.
Konting banggado na iwanan.
Ang ganda ng drop pa sana.
Nag-help dun.
Yan.
Nag-help dun, coach, ang team Tabaco. So, how do you stop right now Sigura and De La Cruz?
Actually, coach, yung adjustment talaga na sabi ko sa'yo, kailangan mag-help defense. Mas maganda yon. Pero now, iba yung ginagawa ng De La Cruz eh. Medyo na-anticipate na lang yung gagawin nila for the third quarter and fourth quarter. That's why nagkaroon sila ng magandang execution ngayon. Kaya nakikita mo, coach, yung dalawa lang naglumulusot eh. Halos nakasaka lang yung possession eh. After this, pwede magkaroon namang panibago naman silang adjustment sa offense. But so far, maganda yung ginagawa ng Tabaco.
So, this is only a 1-point ball game. Cunanan to Burhal. King for a short stab. Pasok yan.
Favorite yan, ni King.
Finally for King.
Paparamdam na, coach, yung King, ha? Ganyan talaga yung laruan niya sa
This is a tall lineup actually for Tabaco. Look at the three interior defense with King, Borhal, and Lasco. Pero dinadaanan lang talaga ng gulang and experience itong Sigura.
Kasi mas malalaki pa dyan, coach, yung kalaban niya. More athletic. Kaya, syempre, taking the advantage of being a speed player, committing the fouls, yun ang kinaganda ng isang commercial player. At the same time, coach, sa quality player to eh. Yung confidence pati nito, coach, grabe, hindi mo matatawaran.
Now 7 minutes and 32 seconds ang nakalipas para sa ating
Yung kumpiyansa nito sa free throw line, ang task, coach. Hindi ka talaga papasubo nito.
matagal-tagal na napahinga si Ernesto at ngayon lang siya ibabalik dito sa ating laban.
Hindi pa to, coach, pumupukol ng tres. I know, ito ay isang
He
deadly
only
shooter
made
eh.
one shot, that floater.
I remember before doon sa Gobs Cup, pumupukol to ng tres eh. Hindi ko pa nararamdaman nga, coach.
Meron tayong foul. JC Garing. That's his second personal foul. Lasco.
Ganda ng hand-off.
Ang lapit na nun.
Oo.
Pero namintis ni Lasco. And the ball will go to the Santo Domingo.
Tabaco will take care the offense of Santo Domingo, coach, kasi karamihan dito mga outside shooters eh. And a composition of guards.
Garing now. Ang layong tres nun. Pinukol yun. Very early ni Garing and Lasco. Kontra kay Garing.
Kick out pass to Kunanan. Swing to Boral.
Way off.
Sayang lang. Ang ganda ng ball movement, coach, no?
So far, our pace is very quick. Nakikita natin, nagmamadali ang parehas na koponan. So I think they have to slow it down a little bit. Try to set your play and look for the best shot.
Nag 2-3 zone ngayon, coach, yung Tabaco.
Kaya ma-open talaga ang shooters ng Santo Domingo. Now Garing, ang ganda nung pihit
no?
ni Garing, but Garing is down there. Mukhang ininda niya yung bangga sa kanya ni Borjal. Lasco drilling the 3-point shot.
Parang hindi na mapagod yung Lasco.
And Garing is down right now.
Yung ano kaya, coach, yung nangyari, no?
I think that was yung kaninang uling layup niya. Pagpihit niya doon kay Borjal, siguro natamaan nung tuhod. Definitely masakit yan.
Hopefully, coach, okay lang siya, no? Kasi he really needs the team.
And Garing right now,
Parang iniinda, coach, yung left foot niya.
limping in his left foot.
I think parang na-twist ata.
That's a big development right now. Santo Domingo might be losing JC Garing.
Yan pa naman, coach, yung bumabantay sa Lasco, no?
And
So,
kita
mahihirapan
natin dito, tumitigas yung muscle. Siguro cramps lang naman to on the part of Garing. So
Hopefully, coach, kasi mahirap mawala to sa team na to eh.
I think he can come back. He'll just get a needed rest right now.
Kasi itong batang to, kumbaga overused na to eh. Ganda, ang dami ng ligang pinaglaruan nito. Kaya siguro nga kanina naglaro pa to eh.
Sigura with 6 minutes and 19 seconds on our third frame. Sigura with a fake, he might take an extra step there.
Yes, coach. Yung
Pero,
footwork nung Sigura, coach.
Sa kabilang
gamit na
dako,
gamit.
andyan naman si Kunanan. Kunanan kontra kay Sigura. Kunanan with a crossover. Sinasayawan lang ni Kunanan si Sigura. Pero the ball will go to Santo Domingo with Ernesto leading ahead.
Yan sabi ko sa'yo, coach.
Pero
Pag
namintis
pinabela
yan.
mo yan.
Pero that was a good shot on the part of
Yes,
Ernesto,
coach.
knowing Ernesto is a strict shooter. On the corner, Kunanan lumipad.
Grabe naman yung Kunanan.
Grabe.
Grabe yung putback niya, coach, no?
That's a difficult job because even though you have a high leaping ability, kung wala kang body control, hindi mo magagamit
Precisely,
yan.
coach.
So, definitely,
Tsaka, coach, yung sipag and effort ng bata.
Sigura
If
with
you're-
a 3,
If you are the coach, you will appreciate this kid eh.
definitely. Sigura is doing his job. I mean, Kunanan,
Ang ganda ng
naagaw
help
ni
defense
De La
ng De La
Cruz.
Cruz.
Sigura, lilipad yan.
No more dribble na, coach. Grabe. Parang Giannis lang, coach, yung step niya, no?
Tabuso will check back in for Tabaco. So still, Santo Domingo clinging into this 1-point lead with under 5 minutes to go for our third quarter. Sigura will take his 2 free throws.
Yung free throw percentage ito, coach, ang taas ng sigurang to. Grabe yung last steps na ginawa nito eh. Kumbaga, underrated player tinatawag. Hindi mo alam kung i-dribble pa ba o...
Kung hindi mo siya kilala or for example, first time mo siya seeing here, masasabi mo underrated pero definitely not.
Not, coach.
Talagang decorated player to sa Zamboanga. He's a proud native of Zamboanga del Norte, Kentoy siguro. Mas kilala siya bilang Kentoy. Sigura
Lasco.
was stopped there. Kunanan, masyadong malakas lang yon. Hindi niya ina-expect doon yung pasa coming from Borjal.
Tsaka, coach, napapansin ko yung fatigue factor dito sa batang to. Kaya medyo hindi niya na-anticipate yung pass eh.
Sigura right now.
Nagkaroon, coach, ng switch, hindi pwede yan.
Nakaabang si Kunanan with the step back of Sigura. Straight but short. Another shot for Ernesto. Ayan na.
Ayan na, coach, ang sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Nagpakawala
Nagparamdam na
na.
yung Ernesto.
Si Ian Ernesto drilling his first 3-point made here in this ball game. Lasco sa kabilang dako. Ang gandang pihit. Ang gandang step back nun. And nabawi din agad ni Bongon with an end one opportunity.
If I am the defender of Ernesto, coach, hindi ko na to hayaan tumira ulit. Kasi masakit yung tres eh.
But definitely merong sagot yung Tabaco doon. With Bongon making that shot plus a foul. And we have a sub here. Balance checking in for Borjal. And
I think yung De La Cruz, coach, hinahayaan niya muna yung mga teams niya ngayon, yung teammates niya ngayon, no? Mamaya magpaparamdam na naman to.
Banyares now,
Banyares.
securing the board. Kanina pa, ito na yung ginagawa ni Banyares. Rebound, rebound, and rebound.
Rebound.
De La Cruz now on the top of the key. Kontra yan kay Tabuso with 3 minutes and 35 seconds on our game clock. Sigura with a fadeaway. Yung tira niya yun, medyo nasa left side lang. But Lasco now. To Balance. Naagawan ni Levi De La Cruz. To Sigura, ibibigay na lang yan ni Lasco.
Nakita mo yung chemistry ng dalawa na, coach? Grabe. Tsaka
Lasco right now.
yung court vision coach ng De La Cruz, talagang mabilis niyang ma-recognize yung mga kasama.
You are right. But right now,
I like the help defense coach of Banyares.
naabangan ni Banyares ang layup doon ni Lasco.
He anticipated coach he anticipated na magdadrive talaga tong Lasco. That's why nagkaroon ng help defense siya.
Tabuso with a
Ayan
long
naman yung
two.
Tabuso. Every quarter coach nagpaparamdam, no? Walang sayang na pinapasok to.
Kunin kaya to sa 40 above.
Pwede mo. Sa tingin ko, paprotesta to.
Ernesto for another 3. Mintis lang yon. 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Kailangan mo talaga itong i-contest. Or
Balance.
else,
Hindi lang nabalanse yung tira. Pero sa kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Kick out sana. Kinick out niya sana dun kay Bongon. Pero hindi lang nakuha.
I like the effort of some players, coach, na gigil kumuha ng rebound. No? Kahit maliit. Pero nakikipatayan talaga sa taas.
Oh, a guy like Balance of Tabaco. But for our timeout right now, nakikita natin ang huddle ng Team Santo Domingo together with Vice Mayor Mark Aguas in their team right now. And right now, 4 lang naman ang kalamangan ng Santo Domingo. Very manageable lead.
Kaya, coach.
What do you think should the Tabaco do right now para makabilik sa kanila ang kalamangan?
They have to stop the two guards, coach. Yan ang most important thing to do here in second quarter. If not, coach, pwedeng lumubo yung lamang nito. So, kailangan talaga nilang i-stop yung De La Cruz and yung Sigura. Kasi yung Sigura yun ang pumupukol na ngayon, coach. And take note, coach, yung adjustment ng Santo Domingo, halos chine-check na ngayon yung Lasco.
And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Mayor Carlwin Awin Baldo, the host town for this Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Yan yung sinasabi ko, coach, na support. Kasi sila na yung next game, di ba?
Actually, kanina maraming mayors ang mga nandito supporting their teams. Now we have here Lasco. Ngayon lang binalik ngayon si Kudal.
Oo, coach, no.
Siguro pinagpahinga muna siya para sabayan yung speed ng Santo Domingo. But Balance was called for a traveling there.
Tsaka sakto, coach, yung pagpasok ng Kudal kasi kung titingnan mo yung lineup ngayon ng Santo Domingo, maliliit eh. Tapos ang purpose niyan, dahil nga kinakana na sila ngayon ng Sigura, kailangan talaga nila ng rim protector.
Banyares now on the top versus Kudal. Banyares,
Palakas
napasobra lang yung tirang yon. Lasco. Mapupunta ang bola kay Tabuso. Ibinato yon, pero pasok pa rin. Nakuha niya lang yung bola ha, pero Tabuso was in the right spot, drilling that 3-point.
Same spot, same result yun, coach, kanina.
Kanina long to lang, pero ngayon sinigurado niya na 3 points na yon.
Ayun na yung
Ernesto, binawi na.
coach.
Nakukuha na ni Ernesto ang kanyang rhythm dito sa ating laro. With 1 minute and 19 seconds in our ball game, Lasco, medyo lumamig si Lasco.
Ayan naman yung De La Cruz.
Tumatakbo na naman si Banyares to Ernesto.
Ang
Wala
ganda
lang
ng pag-recognize, coach, no?
Balance, muntik pang mabitawan ng bola. Tabaso.
If you have a player like Ernesto, coach, you have to recognize him talaga. Even kung saan siya magpwesto, kailangan mong bigyan ng bigyan. Kasi sabi nga, di ba, shooter is always a shooter.
So, ayan na. Ang match-up for Kudal, pinasok ng Santo Domingo si Valderrama.
Medyo napansin na coach ng coach ng Santo Domingo na meron talagang mismatch sa bigs eh.
That is a good matchup. Kudal versus Valderrama. Lasco out-balance shot. That was a good defense on the part of Valderrama. Staying in front. And basket, for Banyares.
Banyares! Dalawa pa yung pinasabay, coach. Grabe yung batang to.
Again, kukulang lang ang high leaping ability if you don't have that body control.
Yes, coach.
Just like what happened to the last occasion with Banyares, drilling that layup and getting a foul and converting the bonus free throw.
And based on my observation, coach, yung mga bata ngayon, grabe yung mga athleticism, no? Tignan mo, oh.
Tabuso.
Eto, coach, grabe yung athleticism nito.
Pinag-uusapan natin ng mga bata, how about this 42-year-old? At
Complaining the coach.
yun nga lang, we have a confusion here. So, but the call is fouled. Tabuso at the line for 2 shots.
Sa tingin ko, coach, itong exposure ni Tabusong to, pwede kukunin to
least-
sa mga...
Hindi, at least he will serve an inspiration. Lalong-lalo na dun sa mga players natin na kaya mo pa makipagsabayan dito sa mga commercial leagues kagaya ng ganito. This is just like, this is no ordinary commercial league but intertown.
Yes, coach.
Banyares right now for a 3
Galing
in
ng
2
bata.
occasion.
Oh.
Sa
Inside
kanya.
and outside presence.
Inside
coach,
and
ramdam-ramdam,
outside.
no?
Nagpaparamdam si Banyares. Tabuso meanwhile, sasagot ba? Drop pass to Kudal. Kudal was in good position. And Lasco for open 3. Wala lang yun.
Ayan na naman yung
Sino
Tabuso.
kumuha ng bola? Tabuso again. Pero nablangka lang siya doon ni Banyares. But the effort is really there. Banyares for another 3. Wala nga lang yun.
Parang hindi pa tinapapagod, coach. And now,
Yun na, nagkapalitan for our third quarter. Our score is 73-78. Now Santo Domingo sticking to the 5-point lead. May dadala ba rin ito sa papasok sa fourth and final period? Magbabalik po kami. This is Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Ayos lang matapa, basta tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Habuin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa, kasama tropa at barkada. Masarap ang panalo pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't bulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, kompleto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama.
And we are back sa ating fourth and final period. And right now, Santo Domingo with their 5-point lead over this team, Tabaco.
let's see the adjustment, coach, ng both teams na to. Dito kasi magkakaalaman eh.
Punanan right now kontra kay Garing. Bongon to Lasco.
Grabe tong Lasco, coach. Since first quarter pa ito naglalaro, no?
Isang beses lang siya pinahinga.
Pinahinga. Iyan yung sinasabi.
Tabuso
Shooter.
with another shot. Is definitely a markman.
Ito yung magiging X-factor, coach, ng team na to, no?
But Banyares left alone. I guess the referee must step in this ball game. Medyo nagiging
Intense na yung laban,
intense
coach.
ng laban, the physicality. Of course, we are expecting for a physicality, but the referee must control this game right now.
Yes, coach. Kasi if they don't control the physicality, coach,
Yes.
mahirap to eh. Kasi etong team na tong dalawa to, magpapatayin talaga to.
Ref, what's the call? What's the call? Hey, what's the call?
UF.
Ref, what's the call? UF ata, coach. Anong call? Kanino? So, the last altercation there, meron tayong unsportsmanlike foul na tinawag doon.
Iniinda pa, coach, ni Valderrama yung sa leg, oh.
Bongon was called for unsportsmanlike foul, dragging Valderrama down on the floor.
Coach, dati yan magkakampi sa ACC pero ngayon magkalaban na, no?
Dito ngayon, walang
Wala ditong
sabi ko nga kanina,
kaibigan eh.
these players are no strangers to each other. Some of them, naging kakampi nila. Some of them talagang matagal na nilang kalaban. Pero definitely, at the end of this game, it's just basketball.
Correct, coach. Yan ang palaging dapat tanda ng mga bata. Yung iba kasi, coach, talagang dinadamdam nila, no?
So, I guess we are still confirming the referee is huddling for that call, and Balderrama will take 2 free throws courtesy of that unsportsmanlike foul called on Bongon. At any given moment, coach, I think talagang mag-e-explode ang laro to, ma-intensify pa because of the physicality.
Actually, coach, yung first quarter pa lang, mararamdaman mo yan yung intensity nito eh. Ngayong fourth quarter, mas mararamdaman mo to kasi ayaw nito magpatalo, coach eh. It's a pride of their municipality, coach.
Both teams, ito yung debut game nila dito sa
Yes,
Ako
coach.
Bicol Cup.
Hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon ng isang record dito.
Santo Domingo now with 10 seconds on their clock. De La Cruz to Garing, short stab. Wala yan, Balderrama.
Rebound by Garing. Oh. Ganda ng behind the back. Ano, coach?
Kunanan with Tabuso underneath.
Sabi nung Tabuso, bata, hindi kita ipapasubo.
Grabe. Alam mo, yung last play na yon, goosebumps all over my body. That was a pretty play executed well by Kunanan, dropping off that pass to Tabuso. And Tabuso,
Hindi kita ipapasubo,
hindi kita
bata.
ipapahiya.
If I will choose, coach, play of the game, yun ang pipiliin ko.
So definitely, pwede siya maging top 10
Yes, coach.
sa ating Liga Banyares.
Ganda ng transition.
Balderrama, hininga ang bola. Sigura now. Sigura. Wala yon.
Grabe tong Tabusan na to.
Lasco now. Kontra kay De La Cruz. Iniantay niya muna na makasay. At nakikita natin ang
Kita mo
matchup
siyang
ng
ganyan.
dalawang big man. Valderrama kontra kay...
Yung separation, coach, di ba? Very effective.
That was the sad part of that sequence because the defender of Lasco when got picked by Kudal, hindi na sumunod. That's why Lasco was open from the trip.
Kaya yung sinasabi ko, coach, dapat wala talagang switch. Kasi pag nagkakaroon ng switch, nandun yung mismatch.
So right now, Tabaco claiming the lead back to their side with a 1-point lead. Again, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda and to his right, Mayor Awin Baldo of the Municipality of Daraga. And syempre, kasama din dyan si Councilor Julius Duran. Magandang gabi po sa inyo mga sir.
Ramdam mo talaga, coach, yung suporta ng mga
Definitely.
officials natin, no?
And if we can see the crowd right now from left to right, makikita natin na halos hindi na mahulugan ng karayom ang ating venue.
And aside of that, yung mga viewers natin, coach, ang dami-dami.
Ang dami-dami kung makikita natin ang sa gilid ng ating mga baseline, punong-puno pa rin dyan, and they are wanting to be here inside our court.
Yung feeling na ang grabe ng electric fan, pero ang init-init ng laro.
We are at 8-minute mark of our ball game. Banyares with extending his arm, finishing that layup.
Very efficient player talaga.
Ayan na naman si Tabuso. Oh! That was a scary play for Tabuso there. I don't know kung ito ba si Tabuso. We have to confirm to our scriptwriter kung talaga bang 42 years old ito. Because right now, I think...
Feeling ko 22 years old pa lang to, coach eh.
And I guess natamaan doon si JC Garing. He has blood on his right eye right now. Pangalawang beses to. And that just simplifies how intense this game.
Eto na yung tinasabi, coach, na intense game eh.
Lasco now to Tabuso. Wala lang yon. De La Cruz.
Pati yung ginagawa, coach. Nakikita mo yung play na yan, coach?
Ngayon nag-breakdown yung transition defense ng Tabaco doon kaya nakalusot Sigura. Lasco. Gandang Kudal with Banyares. Good defense sa part ni Banyares doon.
Iba din tong Banyares, coach, di ba? Offense and defense, gamit na gamit mo
You
talaga.
can see Banyares giving his chest to everybody. Binabangga lang siya. Pero he's not backing down. Ernesto, ang layo nun pero nakuha ni Banyares. Back to Banyares. Silky smooth finger roll.
Maliit na bata pero ang laki ng puso, coach, sa loob ng court.
Kunanan right now. Tabuso kontra kay De La Cruz. That's a good
Ganda.
matchup once again. Good help on the part of Banyares.
And a
And
good
nakita mo,
defense.
siya ang tumatakbo dun. After helping the defense of Banyares. And then, he was the one
Transition,
actually
coach.
running for fast break.
Yan ang kailangan matutunan ng mga bata. After the help defense, you have to run. Kailangan mong i-secure yung transition offense nyo.
Ngayon, ipapahinga ng Tabaco si Tabuso by checking back in by Naldosa. Smooth lang.
Smooth lang yung basic lang, coach.
You cannot describe it any longer. Smooth lang. That's basic for Segura.
Siya na ata ko siyang leading scorer ng Santo Domingo, no?
Banyares, humihingi ng foul doon si
Yung De La
Kunanan
Cruz.
pero hindi binigay. Banyares, muntik pa ma-foul doon. There was a tap there. Ngayon,
Sabi ni Sigura, coach, pagod na ako, ikaw naman, Banyares.
we have a time here. Tabaco calling for a timeout.
I don't know what happened, coach, dito sa Tabaco kung medyo nag-collapse yung defense nila, no? Or talagang mabigat lang yung depensa ng Santo Domingo ngayon.
I guess right now, the defense of this Santo Domingo is clicking. Nakikita naman natin how they stop Kudal with Banyares and the help side as we take a look at Garing natatamaan sa kanyang right eye.
Pinaramdam na sa kanya yung mga experience ng mga kuya.
Definitely what we expect for this ball game, that the physicality will be there.
It's a good timeout, coach, to stop the momentum. If you are the coach na medyo lumulobo na yung lamang, you have to use your timeout. If not, yung consistency ng ginagawa ng Santo Domingo, hindi mo yan talaga mai-stop.
Right now, ang lima ng Tabaco sa court, Lasco with Naldosa, Kunanan, Borjal, and Kudal. Kalaban si De La Cruz, Segura, Banyares, Ernesto, and Patrick Banyares in the middle. One man-to-man defense right now for the Santo Domingo. Lasco, ang gandang depensa.
Yan na naman yung
Andyan na si Segura.
transition nila.
Wala ka na magagawa doon.
Lumipad pa, coach. Ay.
Wala ka na magagawa. In that kind of occasion, the transition defense of Tabaco wasn't really there.
Ito na, coach, yung sinasabi. Lumulobo na yung lamang, and which is mahirap na tong mahabol.
Ernesto being aggressive on the defensive end and was called for a foul.
If hindi nila to may-stop na dalawang guards na to, sabi ko sa iyo, coach, as I said a while ago, pag hindi mo to na-stop, ito talaga yung magpapalobo ng lamang.
Tabaco with 15 seconds on their shot
Hindi
clock.
ko nakikita, coach, sa batang tong Sigurang na hindi lamang napapagod.
Another
Yan naman
steal
yung transition nila.
and then another turnover. Ernesto na mintis lang yung tirang yon. Banyares for a 3. Wala yun. De La Cruz nakuha ang rebound. That was a good decision on the part of Segura. Slowing out the pace, burn some clock,
Using the time, coach.
Sigura now.
Yan yung basic move
With
niya.
a short
Coach!
stop. Namintis lang yon.
Yan na naman yung...
Nakita mo yung sticky defense. Pero nalusutan ni Kunanan yon. Kunanan lulipad. Wala lang. Pero sa kabilang dako, De La Cruz tumatakbo. Stop. Sigura, napakalapit na. That's what we are talking about. The transition defense of Tabaco right now is breaking down to pieces.
Ilista mo na.
Pinapakita din talaga ngayon ng Santo Domingo ang kanilang depensa. Another steal there. Pangatlong consecutive
Ayan na naman yung
steal na yan.
transition ng dalawa, coach.
De La Cruz. Atake Banyares. Open for the three. Drilling that three-point shot.
And good decision
Banyares.
kick out yan, coach, ha?
Yes. Actually, that wasn't a good shot because you are two, you can take that high percentage shot, but they opted to go for the three. But Banyares drilling it.
Marunong yung Banyares, coach, di ba? Hinanap talaga yung corner. Kasi i-expect na kailangan i-kick out ni De La Cruz yung pasa eh.
Oh. So we have here another mananatili ang bola sa Santo Domingo with 14 seconds on their clock.
Yun, coach, I think nag-clarify pa. Kailangan nilang mag-usap-usap muna kung ano yung call talaga. Kasi kailangan talaga nitong pag-usapan kasi
As we seeing the huddle of our referee together with our commissioner Erwin Mapula.
tsaka coach sa mga oras na to, every possession is very important, coach. Right?
We are confirming what happened there sa last sequence na yon. Yung nangyari yun after the basket of Sigura. Inaantay lang natin.
What is the final decision of the officiating coach? Are they going to give the possession to Santo Domingo or they will change the decision, coach? Ano kaya yung magiging decision nila? Kasi yung last ko, complaining, coach, na merong problem doon sa ilalim na kailangan yung possession
Yes,
nila eh.
The last sequence was the inbound play coming from the basket
Yes, coach.
of Sigura. So I think may kina-clarify lang ang ating mga referee.
Ayun nga, coach. Yung final decision is Santo Domingo pa rin yung bola.
5-second violation. 5 seconds.
Okay, so the call there was 5-second inbound
Imagine, coach.
violation. So at least na-clarify ng ating mga referees. Ayan, tumatakbo na si Tabuso.
Yes, coach.
Borjal.
Yan kailangan nila. They have to push the ball. They have to push the ball kasi it's...
I think that was a good defense on the part of Banyares, pero nasa different angle ang ating referee. So he might have touched the arm of Borjal, pero dito sa ating pwesto, clear na clear, bola yon.
Kinaganda ng Santo Domingo, coach, ay hindi sila nagpapaya sa depensa. Kasi given the fact, coach, na yung Tabaco, they will push the ball eh. Kasi yung kalaban nila dito, oras.
But right now, Santo Domingo enjoying a 16-point lead. Kaya pa bang bumangon dito, coach, ng ng Tabaco?
If they will change the defense, coach, if they stop the two guards, possible, coach.
So, and I think
Kasi mahaba pa yung oras eh.
they have to start by controlling the ball in every possession kasi they losing the basketball from time to time.
Yung experience ng bata, coach, di ba? Ginamit talaga.
Being hounded by two-player Cunanan and Borjal, and yet Sigura gets a foul and will troop to the line for 2 shots. 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining on our fourth and final quarter.
Medyo nang lamig, coach, yung Borhal, yung Tabusa.
Yeah, because I think Tabaco kanina yung mga early part of this fourth quarter is sticking to their outside shot. So
Tama, coach.
they are not looking for that inside threat katulad nila Borhal. So that's why manlalamig ka din talaga. Meanwhile, nasa loob na ulit si Tabuso. Ang ganda nung
Grabe ng speed move, coach!
ang linis ng
Sinasabi
lusot
ko.
ni Tabuso.
Ang sabi ni Tabuso, MPBL player ka, ramdaman mo to.
So, Tabuso is a native of Tabaco and tinatawag pala siya doon na the mailman, si Karl Malone. Banyares with a fake. Hindi lang na-convert into 2. Konana now running. Katapat niya dyan ang dalawang feisty guard pero merong blocking foul doon na tinawag kay Levi De La Cruz.
Naramdaman na ni Tabuso, coach. Yung pagod.
Tabuso right now is limping. Ngayon siguro papasok din yung age factor.
Oo.
Definitely,
Actually, coach,
you cannot deny your age now.
actually really really needs the team kasi yung ginagawa niya sa loob, hindi yun matatawaran, coach. Kaso the problem is yung fatigue factor.
Kunanan right now. Kontra kay Sigura. Kunanan with a jumper. No good.
Banyares, coach.
Banyares, another
Grabe
rebound.
yung...
Levi De La Cruz now. Tiningnan yung game clock. Sabi niya,
is crashing the board, coach.
let's use some time. De La Cruz.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, coach.
Levi De La Cruz zigzagging his way for a 2-point. And right now, Santo Domingo having their biggest lead of this ball game with 17 points. Banyares right now having a 12 rebounds.
Plus the defense, coach.
Another Banyares skying high for that rebound.
Tingnan mo, coach, yung...
Pagod na, nakikita na natin. Pagod na si Banyares with that. Kasi lahat ng 12 rebound na yun, lahat yun may challenge sa kalaban eh. You're going to do the backs out and then you're going to jump. Talaga mauubos din ang iyong hangin.
Plus hindi biro yung mga binabantay niya, coach. Di ba?
2 minutes and 18 seconds on our final frame. The ball will stay for the Santo Domingo with 5 seconds on their clock. And Santo Domingo will call for time. Pag-uusapan siguro nila dito ang magiging diskarte and this possession can be the dagger for the Santo Domingo in winning this game. What do you think, coach?
Feeling ko isi-secure na lang nila yung bola, coach. Then papatay na lang ng oras kasi win na to eh. Sigurado na to eh. Ang problema na lang dito is they have to secure the safety of the player kasi anytime pwedeng magkaroon dyan ng injury. Diba? So, syempre itong Tabaco kailangan nilang i-push yung bola kasi kailangan nilang umabol eh.
Again, we are live sa Ako Bicol Online TV. At again, coach, nakikita natin lalong dumadami ang mga tao natin dito sa Daraga Covered Court. Knowing na ang ating next game will be the host team, the team of Daraga versus Manito.
Yes, coach, kasi ito yung center of the heart. Ito yung heart ng Daraga, yung court na to. Still remember, coach, kapag mayroong mga liga dito, talagang punong-puno to. Tsaka
5
yung support
seconds.
ng mga Daragenyo.
5 seconds on the clock for the Santo Domingo, but they misses that one. And the ball will go now to Tabaco.
I like the effort of the Banyares and Ernesto.
Ayan na si Balance.
They're not giving up.
Intercepted by Banyares. Hindi
Even
lang
Banyares, coach.
na kumpleto yung steal na yon.
The mindset, the mentality inside the court, coach, di mo matatawarin yung mga batang to.
Balance now looking for Borhal. And we are in the twilight zone.
Wala na,
Last
Coach.
2 minutes of our game. Banyares, ile-lay up na yan.
Just imagine, Coach, 12 rebounds at nakakapag-trail pa siya, ha?
He was running for that fast break. At ayan na naman si Balance.
Nagkikipaghiran
Pupukol
talaga
niya
niya.
yan. We have a double foul here. Banyares and Borjal.
Pinagpahinga na coach yung dalawang imports.
Nagkiskisan
ng tabako.
doon.
Ayun. I think the coach needs to change his player, coach.
Ayan na nga ang ginagawa ng Santo Domingo. Pakonti-konti, nilalabas na nila ang kanilang mga main guy para ipagpahinga na. Because I guess this is a safe lead right now. 19-point lead with 1 minute and 40 seconds to go for our fourth quarter. May tinawag na technical foul.
You expect talaga, coach, na yung gagawin itong tabako, titira lang ng titira sa labas.
So, we have a technical there. Yung technical na kasing tinatawag ngayon dito, especially pag yung ang landing spot ay hinarangan mo because it can cause sprain or major injuries.
Injury, coach.
So, binigyan niya ng FIBA ng mas mabigat-bigat na parusa with a technical foul.
It's F1 yun ata yung coach, no? FU.
And again,
Fragrant foul.
our SPP commissioner of AKB Cup is now
UF. Ano ba yung coach? UF1 yun, no?
technical lang yung foul.
Technical yung tinawag. So, ang ganda ng laban na nangyari, coach, no? Talagang at the end of the game, yung pride ng dinadala ng mga players na to. And ano kaya yung call? Yung
We are
final call.
confirming the call of our referees.
Technical foul, coach.
So yung call doon ay mananatiling technical foul because of that landing spot. So Belangel will take.
We have to be careful, coach, kapag every time na nagko-contest tayo, no? Kasi yung landing spot talaga yung...
Kasi naging gulang din yun sa laro eh. Yung talagang ipinapain yung kanyang paa sa landing spot ng
Naalala mo,
manlalaro.
coach, yung Pachulia, yung ginawa kay Kawhi
yes.
Leonard, di ba?
Yes. Kaya binago rin yun ng ating FIBA to protect our players.
Kasi minsan magiging strategy ng team, di ba?
Definitely doon pa. Noon pa, mga 80s, 90s, definitely ginagawa na yon. Leona right now kontra kay Balance. De La Cruz with 15 seconds on the clock. I mean on the shot clock. De La Cruz. Borjal now. Nanakaw lang yun ni Leona. 1 minute and 10 seconds to go
Hindi
in
pa kasi
our
kapagod
fourth
na batang
quarter.
to, eh. Kakapasok pa lang eh.
Leona. Nauna yung pag-iisip niyo dun kung paano ititira before catching that ball. We are under minute
kasi ng time eh.
We are under minute to go for our fourth and final quarter. A blowout victory for this proud team Santo Domingo. Sigurado full smile si Mayor at si Vice Mayor Aguas dyan sa kanilang tabi right now. Pero this was a good outing on the part of Tabaco. Nagkulang lang siguro sila sa depensa.
Oh, coach.
But definitely for their next game, we're going to see and witness a better and mas prepared na team Tabaco. As we are nearing to the end of our game. Leona,
They are using the time na lang, coach.
25 seconds on the game clock.
Valderrama.
Valderrama, rather. Belangel, tumatakbo. Sa kabilang dako, si Bongon.
Itong Bonggong, coach, is a native from Catanduanes eh.
A stellar outing for this Santo Domingo, having the likes of Kentoy Segura and Levi de la Cruz showing their prowess in the fast break and their defense.
Yes, coach. Hindi mo talaga matatawaran yung sipag ng dalawa.
Ayan na nga at nagkakamayan na. And finally, for this matchup, for our final score, Santo Domingo beating Tabaco with a 13-point lead. Ayan na nga, nakikita na natin ang ating proud Mayor and Vice Mayor June Aguas and Mark Aguas. Siyempre, shoutout na rin kay Boss Herbie Aguas. Hindi na kasama ngayon. Pero definitely, a big win for the Santo Domingo.
Yes, coach, and very proud yung mayor nila. Most especially si Boss Herbie, di ba? For sure, nanonood yun ngayon.
And syempre, for our player of the game, Kentoy Segura.
So, the player of the game is Segura with 34 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 steals.
Alright, so there you have it, our best player of the ball game. And ito pa rin po ang Ako Bicol Cup. Magbabalik kami para sa ating main game. Team Daraga versus Team Manito. Ito pa rin po si Coach Kyle Marilla kasama si Coach Reynel Manlangit. Huwag po kayong aalis, antabay lang para sa ating susunod na laro.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Alis lang mga dapa, basta tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Habulin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa, kasama tropa at barkada. Masarap ang panalo, pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't bulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagaktak ng pawis, di namin tayo masasaktan, madadapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uuwi na kayo ko, lamat na itatay, sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol Cup, di ka atrasa sa basketbulan. Maraming natutunan, pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay, sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay, lakas at galing lahat ibinigay. Kami na pupunes, huwag lang sumablay, simula pa ang kabata, basketball na ang laro, kahit na minsan, wala namang grupayo, salamat na kilala, tinamak ko ang snow, malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko, paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo, walang tatalo sa disiplinado, lahat kami ay sumasaludo, siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay Bicolano dito pa lang, panalo na tayo, isigaw natin, ako Bicol, isigaw natin, ako Bicol.